Hi guys, someone recently sent me a link to the #1 rated diet. Can you take a wild guess what it is? It's the DASH diet, okay? In fact, the keto diet was very low on the list. I think it was like last place. So, oh well, I guess we're gonna switch over to the DASH diet now because it's been rated as the #1 diet by the US News and World Report, okay? Sounds pretty credible. I mean, US News and World Report. Actually, if you look them up, it's really owned by a media company who sells advertisement. Yeah, so really the big question is who's rating these diets, okay? Well, you can't find that out. They don't really tell you. And what is it based on? Is it based on actual results or advertisement? Probably advertisement because this diet is promoted by the American Heart Association and many governmental agencies. So could be some conflict of interest there. But this is the problem that I have with this diet. It's a low-fat diet, high-grain diet, 6 to 8 servings of grains, lean proteins, fruit, which I don't have a problem with fruit in general, but if you're trying to reduce your insulin and you're doing 4 to 6 servings of fruit, that's going to bump you out. Snacks, popcorn, breadsticks, crackers, but whole wheat, and non-salt pretzels, okay? Again, you don't want to be snacking with this. This is going to raise insulin. And then we have the margarine, which is a trans fat. That's not about health. So the person that sent me the link wanted to know my opinion on this diet. Now, if you're living on pure junk and sugar and you go to this diet, it's definitely a step up. But if you have insulin resistance and you have a stubborn metabolism, I don't recommend it. Do the keto plan with intermittent fasting. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, press the button below and I will keep you in the know. Hey, that rhymes.